Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Google Pixel 9a. Alright, so let's open up our WhatsApp, and now we need to click on those dots on the top right corner, and now click on settings. Now find the chats, then scroll down a little bit and click on chat backup, and now under the Google account we have our Google account that we are currently logged in, but if you click on that you can click on add account and add another. I'm gonna use pattern to verify, and remember that if you add another Google account you need to remember that account, because when you want to restore your chats in the future you need to use the same Google account. You need to be logged into the same account on your phone. So you can add additional accounts right in here and also create if you don't have. Alright, below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly it will be set on off, but we can pick between daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup mode. Currently it's on the weekly, just like you can see, and basically that means that each week the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually, so it's pretty convenient option, and I suggest you should enable one of those options. Alright, below we have option to include our videos. Below you can see that 1 megabyte will be uploaded, and on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here you will create a unique password that you will need to type if you want to restore your backups in the future. So if you choose to create it, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore the chats. Alright, and once everything is selected, click on this green button, backup. Okay, and now the process is finished. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.